now I request the family attorney, Mr. Charles Tegnier, to come and give us a few words.
I didn't come prepared to talk to all of you by any prepared speech. I acknowledge the Mayor of Carbondale, the honorary people that are here, as far as the ministers, the families, and all of you folks that are present on behalf of Pravin and this unfortunate incident that occurred. My name is Charles Stegmeyer. I am an attorney from Belleville, Illinois. I used to be Chief Assistant State's Attorney of St. Clair County and Assistant State's Attorneys in 3 other counties. My former law partner and very good friend, Alan Dixon, was our Illinois State Senator for 8 years, and I was fortunate to be his friend, partner, and legal advisor sometimes in Washington. What we have today, ladies and gentlemen, is a very dangerous society. We don't have the society we had when I was growing up and going to college at Washington University in St. Louis. But we do have it today. And what sways me and almost unbelievable is 40,000 signatures. Now, this is not only signatures for Pravin and beliefs in finding justice for him, but this applies to all the parents in all the colleges who have students at that college. My grandson has just accepted college at Georgetown up in upper part of his country. And when I talked to my daughter, I said, not only do we have to look at scholastics, entertainment, education, but security. You see, security is what life is all about now. Everywhere you go, every place you stop, security is on your mind. And it should be on your mind. The Vegases have hired me as their attorney to find the truth as to what happened to Pravin. Is that an easy job? Of course it isn't an easy job. Rumors fly everywhere. This happened, that happened, this happened, but we haven't got to the truth. The question everybody has is, what happened? What happened from 12:01, that dreadful night? What happened? Where was security? Where were the police? Why didn't this happen? Why wasn't there a full investigation? Why wasn't there a crime scene? Why didn't somebody look in those woods for Pravin? A young, athletic boy in the youth of his life. The question is, he couldn't find his way out of a forest or a few trees. This was in Yosemite. So these are big questions we're going to ask. Now, we're going to talk to the state's attorney, Mike Carr, of Jackson County, who is a very dedicated state's attorney, who I'm sure is looking for the truth as well as I am. To the Carbondale Police Department, to the Illinois State Police, and to the driver of the car that night. Why does he suddenly leave the area? Why hasn't his statement been taken over and over and every detail checked out? You mean to tell me that here's a driver of a car who picks up Pravin, who says there was, quote, an altercation? What is an altercation? I have altercations with my wife You understand? But I don't hit her. I don't knock her down. I don't chase her in the woods. Well, I'm like, no. But that word in the English dictionary, one word to we lawyers sometimes is very, very important. And when you have an altercation and you have someone who's been in a fight, that's not an altercation. That's either a battery, an aggravated battery. It is and could have been a crime. And when you have a crime, ladies and gentlemen, you investigate the crime. You know, all of us watch television, CSI, whatever programs are on, all the forensics that we have, you know, those are aids to help find culprits. The crime scene, you know how it is. People walk in, put their gloves on, don't touch anything, don't move this, don't do that, because they're looking for evidence. Now, that's what we're looking for. Evidence. Who's at fault? Who is at fault? And I will tell you, there's 40,000 people want to know the answer. All you people come here from Chicago and wherever you're from. You're here for justice, aren't you? That's what you're here for. Huh? Let's get together, pray as a unit, pray for God's help, not only for Pravin's family, but for myself and for everybody else. We will find the answer. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sigmeyer. That was reassuring, and we believe you, and we have full confidence that you, with all the years of experience, we see with the gray head that you have, every little experience will bring success to our case. We totally believe.